The 5 Best Air Fryer 2024, Top Air Fryers for Quicker, Healthier Cooking. These top-performing models bake, broil, dehydrate, and even rotisserie with speed and efficiency we reviews in this video. Air fryers have a few possible configurations, but the two classic types of air fryers are basket style, including single and dual baskets, and toaster oven style, often multifunctional with tray inserts. The capabilities of both can vary, and the best air fryer results are determined by convection power, how consistently the heat rotates through, and the capacity of the basket or tray. We wouldn't recommend one style over the other since it depends on your kitchen needs, but this particular roundup is primarily focused on classic basket-style air fryers, with our top air fryer toaster oven pick included. Number 1. Best Overall Air Fryer, Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 with ClearCook. Pros: crisp, evenly browned results. Window lets you check on food during cooking. Reduces cooking smells. Cons: crisper plate falls out if basket tipped up too high. Display suffers from fingerprint marks. The brand behind the iconic Instant Pot also makes air fryers, and its top-of-the-range model consistently turned out the crispiest fries and chicken wings of any air fryers we tested. In our testing, the fries had crisp exteriors but soft, fluffy insides, and the chicken was moist, while its skin was crispy and retained loads of flavor. The Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 air fryer with ClearCook and OdourErase builds on the previous iteration, the Instant Vortex Plus, with a plastic window in the basket and a light that lets you keep an eye on food while it's cooking, and has a built-in filter to reduce smells too. However, it doesn't come with any cooking charts, which means you will need to spend time experimenting to achieve the right cooking duration and temperature, particularly when it comes to frozen food. We also found the crisper plate falls out if the basket is tipped up too much when removing food, and the display suffers from fingerprint marks. However, these are minor gripes on what is in our eyes the best air fryer on the market right now. Number 2. Best Value Air Fryer, Cosori Air Fryer Oven Pro LE5 QT Air Fryer. For something that looks nice and fits neatly on the countertop, this 5-quart Cosori air fryer is the best budget air fryer pick. It gave excellent results for performance at a lower price than any 4 to 6-quart models we tested. We found it surprisingly roomy for a 5-quart, which is a pleasant surprise for any air fryer basket. It has a preheat cycle which can make it more efficient at quickly crisping foods. The fries, wings, and shrimp fared well. It has a bright, easy-to-use display and comes clean with no extra effort. The temperature and time are also easily adjustable down to the minute, which other air fryers lack in precision. The Cosori Pro punches above its weight and is the perfect size for most households. Pros: the price is generous for the size and quality of the machine. Cons: it's smaller than other mid-size air fryers and lacks smart features. Number 3. Best Air Fryer Toaster Oven, Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Toaster Oven. For families who are serious about investing in a multi-use tool that can handle dozens of functions and be on permanent display on the countertop, the Breville is the best choice. Though the brand name precedes it for premium kitchen tools, this smart oven still impressed us amongst the tight competition in the toaster oven category overall. It'll take on complicated convection needs like chicken wings or French fries just as easily as simple tasks like toast. We also love a viewing window, which many basket-style air fryers lack. Ranked one of the top countertop ovens, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Toaster Oven has 11 functions: toast, bagel, broil, bake, roast, warm, pizza, air fry, reheat, cookies, and slow cook, and is large enough to fit an entire 12-well muffin tin or medium pizza. I knew I would like this product. I just underestimated exactly how impressed I would be. This little appliance can cook a piece of fish from frozen, convection-bake cookies that are simultaneously chewy and crispy, bake a batch of cupcakes in less time than a full-size oven, and successfully air fry anything from chicken wings to sweet potato fries. All parts of the toaster oven are incredibly easy to clean, so any trapped grease can be removed by pulling out the grease tray and washing it off in the sink. Additionally, the parts are dishwasher safe, so there's no need to wash them by hand. Pros: there are several settings that basic air fryers won't manage, and this multifunctional tool looks great on the countertop. Cons. It's a bigger upfront investment and doesn't have the capacity of larger air fryers. Number 4. Best Small Air Fryer, Ninja AF101 Air Fryer. With a dedicated frozen food setting called Max Crisp, and plenty of cooking charts offering guidance on duration, this is the best air fryer on the market right now for cooking frozen foods. The Ninja Air Fryer Max, which is known as the Ninja Air Fryer Max XL in the US, also turned our crisp, evenly browned homemade fries and chicken wings, and was quiet during use too. In our review, we found the compact, circular-shaped air fryer does lack a reminder to shake function, a feature that many other air fryers offer and helps ensure the hot air reaches every inch of the food. It also doesn't have an automatic preheat function, and the reheat mode can't replace a microwave. However, for those that primarily cook frozen foods, this is the ideal air fryer. It's also available in a smaller version, which has a 4-quart/3.8-liter capacity and is called the Ninja Air Fryer. Pros: crisp, evenly browned results. Excellent at cooking frozen foods. Quiet in use. Cons: no reminder to shake or turn food. No preheat setting. Number 5. Best Smart Air Fryer, Drio Chefmaker Combi Fryer. We're almost done with our testing and review of the Drio Chefmaker, and we can already attest to its cooking prowess and its ability to deliver moist on the inside and crispy on the outside results. That's due to the fact that this air fryer is able to cook more precisely than many others. While it's missing a lot of the usual presets, at least without app support, it offers Chef Mode, Classic Cook, and Probe Cook, so that you can either fine-tune the cooking experience, set it and forget it, or have the Chefmaker cook your food until its internal temperature is right where you want it, thanks to a nifty probe aka food thermometer that's included in the box. The transparent glass basket is also a nice addition as you can keep visual tabs on your food without pulling the basket out. We also appreciate the fact that the components are dishwasher safe. And the water atomization and super convection seem like buzzwords that Drio applies here, make no mistake. This is a powerful, if pricey, air fryer. Pros: allows for steaming during air frying. Includes a probe for guided temperature-based cooking. Cons: expensive.